Hello guys, here is I have an Epson printer ET-3710, and this printer problem is when I try to print something is coming pink color. I did a nozzle check, I did a printer head cleaning, and I tried to clean the power clean, but I couldn't do it. They say I need to change the maintenance box. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. And I have ink, you can see right here. I have ink already, but it's still coming pink color. All color pink is available here. Let me show you something. As you can see, here is I print something. I select color red, but it's coming pink color, and a lot of color is missing. And here is the maintenance box behind, and there is one screw. You have to unscrew it, and then easy to remove it. Just slide down. And this maintenance box is new. I ordered from Amazon, I think $9 something. You can order from espon.com also. And I'm gonna show you the old one, how it look. And you can see right here, this is the old one. Is ink, I think, messed up inside right here, and I just replaced this one. It's easy to replace it. You just grab like that and pull up, it's come out easily, and just press it down, it's go inside. And after that, how you reset it, I'm gonna show you. After the maintenance box, replace the maintenance box, then you have to select, you have to turn off the printer first, and then you have to hold this button and power button together, and it's come option to reset the power clean. So power clean after reset is take about 10 minutes. They say that 10 minutes, and after that they say it's gonna say, like, you have to wait 12 hours to get the better result to print. And after power clean done, I did print the nozzle check, and his nozzle check is coming like that. You can see the pink color one and yellow color one is broken line. So I reset the nozzle check also, and also I did a print head cleaning. And after that, I did not wait 12 hours. After 2 minutes, I just print this page right here. I select different color, and it's coming, all color is coming good. But if you wait 12 hours, maybe it's more better. And I'm going to show you how to do maintenance nozzle check. Hit nozzle check, select, and then print. You can see if it's broken color coming, you select broken color one. If it's coming all is label, you select the label line. And print head cleaning also same thing. Just select it and then start. It's take about like maybe 10 minutes also. Then power cleaning, you can select from here also. If it's not working, you have to hold this 2 button, so it's coming option to say reset the power cleaning. You just need to turn off printer first, and go to yes, turn off like that, and hold it. You can see hold it, and it's coming this option, run power cleaning. So if you do it power cleaning, you have to go yes and select OK. So I already did it, I don't need it to do it again. Go back, go to the no. Yeah, that's all. I think that can help you guys if anybody have same issue. Thank you.